Hi everyone, I'm Kerri, one of the orthodontic therapists at Plaque Orthodontics. Today we're going to go over some extra cleaning aids, a little bit more advanced for those of you who are keen to look after your appliance the best way you can. Flossing can be really difficult when you've got a fixed track in place or a little fixed wire retainer at the back of the teeth. So today we'll go over some special types of floss that can help just keep round the gum really clean. It's important to clean this area because the gums house the teeth and healthy gums mean healthy smile. So what we've got is some Superfloss, which is a little bit different to normal floss. And if I take a little piece out here, I can show you what the difference is. So what we have at the end is a little sort of rigid end, and you can see that that can be used to direct the floss, and I'll show you on the little model exactly where that will go. But you can use that to feed through and direct it in any direction you want to go on. We then have the kind of softer fuzzy piece, which is great for cleaning, and then further on we have the small, just kind of almost like regular floss. So if we go to our model, I can show you exactly how this works. What you would do is feed the little rigid end up behind the brace and then feed around, thread through till we get the fuzzy piece in the position that we would like it, and then you can feed the floss up right up to the gum line and use as a sort of C-shaped motion just to kind of clean backwards and forwards and round that little area there. It's important that we get the bacteria from the plaque out of this area, as our normal toothbrushes just will not reach into that and keep that nice and clean. So here we have a little example of a fixed on wire retainer at the back, and you can see how you would want to use your floss to help keep this clean, the same as we used and did an example on the fixed on track. It's the same idea. You would thread the floss right through the back of the wire so that you can get down into the little C-shaped gum, just to keep that little area clean. We don't want to have any plaque or bacteria from the plaque in this area. Your big toothbrush can't quite get in between, so you want to make sure you can thread your floss down in between and clear that all out. Obviously you can't push your floss straight down in between where the teeth are sitting, as the wire is kind of obstructing this area going across. So same thing, you would thread it in with a little rigid end, through down at the gum line, thread it through, give it a little clean backwards and forwards in a C-scoop motion, and then thread it back out again in order to keep the little wire clean and keep the gums healthy at the back.